G'day, mates! How you going? Alpha Lion Simba here, and welcome to another episode of Wonders from Down Under. In keeping with the rainforest theme of today, I'm going to talk about a rainforest bird that's very popular amongst parrot lovers, and that is the Sulphur-Crested Cockatoo. So, let's get squawking.
The sulfur-crested cockatoo lives in the forest and rainforest areas of northern, eastern, and southeastern Australia and on the island of Tasmania. A fully grown sulfur-crested cockatoo weighs 800 to 950 grams, or 28.2 to 33.5 ounces, is 45 to 50 centimeters, or 17.7 to 19.7 inches long, and has a wingspan of 85 to 100 centimeters, or 33.5 to 39.4 inches. In the wild, it typically eats fruit, berries, seeds, nuts, leaves, and roots, and its sharp-edged beak comes in handy for breaking open seeds. The sulfur-crested cockatoo gets its name from the crest of yellow feathers on the back of its head, which is used either as a form of communication for other birds, or it can be used for intimidation purposes. Like many species of parrots, the sulfur-crested cockatoo mates for life. The female usually lays 3 to 5 eggs per brood, and the eggs hatch after an incubation period of 28 to 31 days. The sulfur-crested cockatoo can live for over 40 years. Although the sulfur-crested cockatoo is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, its population is currently believed to be in decline, mainly due to habitat loss. But they are also captured for the pet trade.
Well, that was it. My Wonders from Down Under episode on the Sulphur-Crested Cockatoo. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave requests in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alpha Lion Simba, out.